For homes across the Twin Cities, Details and Dixon's helps make everyday life feel a little easier. Home should feel like a place you can settle into, not another list waiting for you at the end of the day. That is why we make house cleaning simple. While life keeps moving, our professional teams take care of the routine work that helps your home feel fresh again. From kitchen surfaces, floors, dusting, vacuuming, bathrooms, and the small details that make a real difference. Choose a one-time cleaning or choose recurring cleanings, weekly, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, or every 4 weeks, and come home to a space that feels cared for. Details and Dixon's. One call cleans it all, guaranteed. Get your free quote today at mycleanhome.com.